Alright, in today's video I'm going to install this Tesla Model 3 noise reduction seal kit here. I got this off of Amazon. So let's see if it helps with the road noise. I hate to admit, but for being a Tesla, it is noisy. Maybe because you don't hear the engine noise, so you hear all sort of noise, but I do hear a lot of wind, especially crosswind. And I think this gap here is, well, I'll let you know if it helps, so be right back. Alright, just clean out the channel. So gonna let it dry out for a bit, and I'm gonna install the seal. I've been drying out the channel now with this air blower here. Alright, let's look at the instruction real quick. Here's the driver's side. It's pretty much start from two corner. The pretty much do from two corner like this, and then stretch it out to fit. This is how it looked. But according to some of the video, they're saying where the seal is. Here we go. Do you see it? There's a seal. Put this like on the passenger side right here, so you don't really see it, but it's right here. Or keep it on one of these corners and then go around. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So alright, I'm about to start, and let me find that seal again. Oh, the joint. So here's a joint. Just put it somewhere around here, or move it down a little bit right here, around here. Push it down. Pretty much that's how it is. See? So I'm gonna go all around the car right now. Too hot. Can't do it. Alright, let's take a closer look now. Got it down. Some might ooze up just a bit, so keep on going until you get it flush as possible. You can still feel it barely, but this is how it look up close now. It sit like this. Get it underneath this lip, if you underneath this glass lip if you can. Let's see. Let's see. This is how it look on this side. It's very sunny right now. I choose a bad day to be doing this. So this is how I look in this corner, and this is how I look in the last corner here. So you can kind of see it, how flush it look. And this here's a joint right here. It's on this side, on the passenger side, toward the rear door. So it's like less noticeable. Only I will notice it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I will actually I'll add on to the second half of this video to see does it help or does it work. I've been driving around to test it, and I think it does help, or at least I notice it does help. Probably in my head, but so far I think it's worth it. It's noticeable. Well, you notice the wind noise does cut down, so it does make a difference. And I didn't like the flush look earlier, so I raised it back up, but on the corner I purposely push it down a little bit more, just in case I don't want to come back up, you know. So on the corner I push it down more than I should maybe, but it's just for peace of mind. But it's flushed all the way through just for the look. And let me show you over here. Yeah, see? I look like this. Yeah, so I think it's worth it for, I forgot how much I paid for it. I'll put the link in the description again. But it was easy to install. Yes, my friend make fun of me, say it's a Tesla. And yet I have to do this. We can't help it sometimes, guys. We're being early adopter, or at least of the first generation of Model 3 here. Alright, thanks for watching.